Read for me first. Is this proper or common noun? What's this? Good. Can you read? Let's try. Good. Is this good? Let's read the other one.
Sleeps in the sun.
Good. And the other one.
Rides. That.
Good. Good. Okay, can you read back the tricky words? Back. Can you read? Yes, turn the pages. Yeah. Can you read for me the tricky words? Let's read.
Was the four.
It's four. Yes. What's that? What's the tricky word? What's the first one? Good. Okay. Close. What's this, Alex? Okay. Do you know the tricky words? What are the tricky words? Where are they? Where are they? Good. Good. Show me I. Where is I? Show me we. He. The. Of. Do. To. Was. It begins with wa. Was. Good. Can you give me a sentence with was? Yes. Okay.